Well, it's early 2026 and all the RV shows are upon us. We just came from the Florida RV Super Show in Tampa. And whether you're at a courtside in the Big Ten event or any of the regional shows that are happening this winter and this spring, some of these new rigs are really exciting. And so either you're a first-time buyer or maybe you're thinking about upgrading your RV to a larger size. And you're thinking about all the upgrades that you might do to the RV, but have you thought about what upgrade you might need to do to your truck? We're going to discuss a cost-effective upgrade that we think is going to be very helpful when you carry those loads. Upgrading your truck is often overlooked, but it's really important. So we're going to talk about something we did to upgrade our F350 one-ton diesel truck when we first started traveling in 2021. And we still have these on our truck, even though we're towing the Airstream these days. We have a total of about 30 to 35,000 miles towing, and we've got over 100,000 miles on the truck. So these things have been very useful to us. Very simple. Let's talk about it a little bit more.
Timbrens are a cost-effective solution as compared to airbags. They are passive, meaning they only engage when load is placed on the truck and disengage automatically when the load is removed. There's no need for a compressor that airbags require and eliminates any chance of electronic failure or an airbag being punctured. Made of an extremely hard and durable material, ours have held up with well over 100,000 miles on them, although ours don't look quite as good as these new ones.
So they just happened to send us another pair just so we can show you, because the ones we have, as I mentioned, are installed. So let's look at this. So basically, you've got this, and again, depending upon your individual truck, you've got the Timbren itself, which is this, and then you've got the mounting plate, and this is a direct replacement for the mounting plate in our Ford Super Duty. Now you do have, depending upon, maybe some other things that you need to consider, there are spacer plates in here as well, maybe to get a little bit more height on these. And we did not have to use those. These work standard right out of the box with our truck. And again, they've been on there. Now, they don't look as clean as this, but they've been on there for well over 100,000 miles. So you'll notice that when we load the load of our Airstream trailer onto the truck, those Timbrens still come in contact with the plate that allows that to reduce some of the stress on the leaf springs. Now, granted, our tongue weight on this is just about 2,000 pounds. The pin weight on our Alliance fifth wheel is up around 3,000, maybe a little bit more, and the payload capacity of this truck is about just under 3,500. So again, it really helps with that. I would absolutely consider these if, again, you are upgrading to a larger fifth wheel. Again, not a substitute for payload capacity, so you still want to be mindful of the pin weight that you have and what the sticker says on the inside of your truck. This is not going to increase payload capacity, but it absolutely increases stability when you're towing down the road of the truck. Again, giving you some lateral stability and keeping you level. Very easy to order. If you go onto their website, there's a pull down which basically says what year do you have of your truck, what is the truck, what is the model, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, is it a super cab, is it a smaller cab, and the installation is fairly simple. Now granted, we didn't do ours ourselves, we paid for somebody to do it, but some of the videos that we have seen is you simply replace the bump stock that's in there, bump stop that's in there, and then you replace this with the Timbrens, and we've been very happy with ours. So I would suggest that you look at that and consider it if you feel like you want to add some stability back to your truck if you're towing a large load down the road.